Hello guys and welcome back to the channel where today guys I'll be showing you which one is better, Realtor.com or Zillow. So guys, the first thing of course that you need to do in Zillow is to go on Google and type in Zillow.com, and of course after that guys you need to go and create your account and all of those things. Now let's see what we have on Zillow. Basically in the top left corner we have the buy, rent, sell, home loans, find an agent. In the top right corner, manage rentals, advertise, help, everything about your profile, and the search bar. But now, guys, let's see which one is better. So both Zillow and Realtor.com are popular real estate platforms, but they have some key differences that might make one more suitable for one other, depending on your needs. Zillow has a large database of property listings, including for sale by owner properties and rental listings. Features like Zestimate, home value estimate, and Zillow offers, instant cash offers for sellers, are popular among users. Zillow sees over 138 million monthly inquiry visitors, offering significant exposure. On the other hand, Realtor.com exclusively uses MLS data, ensuring high accuracy and reliability. Only agents can list properties, which can provide a more professional and vetted selection. Which one is better? If you're a buyer looking for a wide variety of options and innovative tools, Zillow might be the better choice. If you're a seller or agent prioritizing accuracy and professional listing, Realtor.com might be suitable. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything. Bye guys.